एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो टाइटल से तो अब तक आपको पता चल ही गया होगा कि आज का वीडियो फुल फेस मेकअप किट होने वाला है, वो भी अंडर 500। सो देरी किस बात की, विदाउट फर्दर डू लेट्स क्विकली अदरवाइज फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज ऑब्वियसली a moisturizer and this is Pond's Light Moisturizer, non-oily, fresh feel. This and it has vitamin E and glycerin for soft and glowy skin. And this cost for 115 and I have been using this product since day one. If you have been following my channel and watching my all the videos, you must have seen this one. It's really good. So next, moving on to face primer. This is Nykaa Prep Me face primer. This retails for 499. Again a good product and I have been using this since my day one video. So now moving on to foundation, it has to be, I hope you must have guessed by now, it has to be Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Now ये मैंने 384 में लिया था, ये हमेशा डिस्काउंट पे रहता है। इसका एक्चुअल प्राइस 584 इसमें लिखा है, बट डोंट वरी, यू ऑलवेज गेट इट ऑन डिस्काउंट अराउंड 400। उससे ऊपर आपको ये कभी भी नहीं मिलेगा। सो इट्स वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट। सो नेक्स्ट मूविंग ऑन टू कंसीलर, दिस इज अगेन फ्रॉम Maybelline Fit Me, कॉस्ट फॉर ₹475। Now there are some days where you want to skip foundation, concealer, everything. So for that also have an option. You can go with Pond's BB cream. This is again a very good product under 500. This is for 30 gram and it costs for 224. इसका छोटा पैक्स भी है and इसका बड़ा भी है। जो सबसे बड़ा है उसका प्राइस is 404 and it is for 50 gram. Now next moving on to loose powder, this is again from Maybelline Fit Me. Maybelline यार सही में बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट्स बनाता है, ड्रग स्टोर भी होता है, अफोर्डेबल भी होता है और क्वालिटी भी बहुत ही अच्छी होती है। सो नेक्स्ट इज Maybelline Fit Me loose powder and this cost for 487. Now in case आप loose powder यूज नहीं करना चाहो, so obviously you can switch to compact powder. So this is from Nykaa Skin Genius. Cost of this is 446 एंड ये मैंने पूरा ख़त्म कर दिया है। एंड इसका प्लस पॉइंट है कि यू गेट अ मिरर ऑल्सो। सो नेक्स्ट, टू लॉक द बेस मेकअप आई हैव NYX सेटिंग स्प्रे। नाउ दिस कॉस्ट फॉर 656 एंड आई एम रियली वेरी सॉरी, आई नो ये 500 से थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, बट ऑनेस्टली मुझे आपसे गुड क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट ही शेयर करना था एंड दिस इज़ रियली अ गुड क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट। इफ़ यू गो बिलो देन दिस, मुझे तो नहीं मिला अभी तक कोई इससे अच्छा सेटिंग है। इफ़ आपको पता है तो डू कमेंट डाउन। So it's for 656 but worth a single penny. So next, moving on to bronzer, blush and highlighter, I have one combo pack and it's again from Maybelline Fit Me Master Contour Palette. Now it has all the three things, that is bronzer, blush and highlighter. Now again this is for 950 but it has three things. You are getting one pack and three things, so it's a great deal, great pack to invest in pigmentation quality. इसका तो कुछ डाउट ही नहीं है। So it's again for 950 but it's a bomb palette. If you don't want to invest in this, don't worry, I have an option for you. These are the separate single product. So starting with the contouring stick, this is from K Beauty Contour Stick and this cost for 500. Then for blush I have two. First is Maybelline Fit Me blush again and this is a tinted blush and this cost for 308. Now next is Biotic blush and this is for 383 and it's a matte blush. So next is highlighter from Wet n Wild and this cost for 499. And again this is a very good product. So finally moving on to our eye makeup. Now नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट जो मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ, इट्स अ मस्ट हैव, इसमें ज़रूर इन्वेस्ट कीजिएगा इफ़ यू वांट टू। एंड ये मल्टीपर्पज़ प्रोडक्ट है, अंडर 500 है, सुपर पिगमेंटेशन, सुपर ब्लेंडेबल एंड यू आर जस्ट गोइंग टू लव दिस। सो इट्स नन अदर देन वेट एंड वाइल्ड आई शैडो पैलेट इन द शेड रोज इन द एयर। ना इसमें बहुत सारे शेड रेंज है, आप चेक कर सकते हो। दिस वन इज रोज इन द एयर। सो एज यू कैन सी इट हैज़ 10 आई शैडो शेड्स and all are amazing. The shades are really amazing, super pigmented, super blendable, and you can create so many look using this one mini palette. Again, you are getting bronzer shade here because I have not shown you any loose product for bronzing. So here is a bronzing shade. You can bronze using this shade. You can apply highlighter also using this one is the tinted shade right here. You can use it as highlighter. Then if you want to use blush also, so you can use this pink shade right here and this coral shade. Now take a very tiny amount of it at a time because it's super pigmented, so it's a must have palette, multi-purpose palette, and you should invest in this because it has 10 eyeshadow shades, bronzing, highlighter, blush, and it costs for just rupees 499. So next is eyeliner. This is from Lakme Eyeliner 12 hours smudge proof, waterproof, and this cost for rupees 380. Now next product is kajal, and this is from Faces Canada Kajal. I love this kajal. I have been using this since years, since my school days, and it does not smudge. It's waterproof. It's super bold black, and this costed me for 116. I got it from Amazon. Nykaa में इसका price 2 or 300 था, so I got it from Amazon in 116 rupees. So next is mascara from Maybelline Lash Sensational, and this is for 355. This is waterproof, smudge proof, super black mascara, and a very good product. So next, in case if you want to invest in some glitter metallic eyeshadow, I have also option for that. So here I have been using this Swiss Beauty, छोटू सा bottle है, बहुत cute है, Swiss Beauty metallic eyeshadows. And the cost for this is again in Nykaa. It costed for 200, but I got this from Amazon क्योंकि वहाँ पे price इसका 165 or 170 around था, and it is really very good, super blendable, super pigmented. Now I have one more option for you for metallic and glitter eyeshadows. This is from K Beauty eyeshadow stick, and again these are very good, super blendable, super pigmented, and the cost for this is 509. So lastly, to complete the whole eye look, I have falsies from Nykaa, and this is for 199 rupees. So now finally moving on to our lips. So to moisturize my lips, I use Nivea lip balm, and this is for 148 rupees just. So next is lip liner from PAC in the shade mauve. Now they have many shades, you can go and check it. So all of these are for 200, and they glide on so smoothly, so very good lip liner. So finally, up next I'm going to show you 6 lipstick shades, 6 basic lipstick shades that most of us have or want to have. So starting with the typical red shade. This one is from Nykaa So Creme red shade. The shade name is On Fire, and this cost for 254. Next is a nude lipstick from Nykaa Liquid Lipstick in the shade Bombay, and the cost of this is 509. Now you also get a mini pack of this which cost for 239. Now again from the same range I have a lipstick which is in the shade Delhi, and this is the nude pinkish kind of shade. Now up next is again a liquid lipstick from Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink, and this shade right here is Ruler, and the cost of this is 488. And this shade is Versatile, and the cost of this is 455. And what they say that Super Stay Matte Ink is 100% right. The name of this product is 100% justice to it, because I have applied this for so many times, and trust me, it does not remove from your lips. You eat how much you want to eat, remove it with the water, बारिश में भीग लो, कुछ भी कर लो यार, ये नहीं जाता है. ये जो इसमें लिखा है ना सुपर स्टे मैट इंक, ये ऐसे ही नहीं लिखा है, ये सच में है, और ये 2 दिन भी रह जाता है अगर आप अपना फेस वॉश ना करो, अगर उसे if you are not removing your lipstick well, but you should not do that, okay? So all of these products are super blendable. They are very good application wise, texture wise, pigmentation. They are very good quality products, and most of the products, actually all of the products I have got from Nykaa, except 1 or 2 because of the price fluctuation I have got it from Amazon. So yes, with that our full face makeup kit under 500, good quality product is over. I hope that was useful to you and you like my video. So if you like it, please give a thumbs up and hit on the bell icon and subscribe to karna bhulna mat please. So yes, with that I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.